Ugh, my stomach hurts. I need to pass gas and go poop. Oh, hi. This is me, Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from LL question mark R. It's from a video called Class Fart. I changed my g6w cap left square bracket dash a fart right square bracket. It was uploaded a few days ago on October 11th. The duration of the sound effect is 0:15 to 0:59. The cute music will be removed at the beginning and end. I will show you this sound effect. It sounds like this. See, this is how the farting sound effect sounds like. This sound is only used when I poop in hug. Ooh, I better rush to the bathroom and test. LL question mark R S farting sound effect. Ouch. Damn, it won't come out. Ouch, it hurts. Ugh, I need to use my tummy muscles once more with the video proof on there. That felt refreshed. The farting sound starts at 15 and ends at 39. Remember kids, when you need to go poop, just use this sound effect.